In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the files using the WinRAR, which is in .rar format. So maybe or maybe not, you see that folder is zipped, but you can see this books kind of icon, or otherwise if the WinRAR is not installed, you will see something like this. So even then, if we go to the properties, it's .rar file, but if you're in Windows 11, you can still extract it by clicking on extracting to all and extract, and it will extract it right away with a folder. But let's say if you want to extract it only with WinRAR, what we need to do is just to go to Google and write here WinRAR, click on this, and whatever is the current version, it always shows the latest one. Just click on download WinRAR, click on download WinRAR again, select the downloads, download this and run the setup, click yes and click install. It will ask you to associate the files that need to be extracted with WinRAR. Already set by default, we don't need to change anything. Click on done. And now you will see that this zip file is showing like 3 books, which is zipped. So we go to WinRAR and here we have the option. If we want to open this zip folder directly, we can open it like this and we can extract any individual item within this. Or otherwise, if you want to extract the complete folder, what you do is just right click here, go to extract to whatever folder name is showing and click on this. And that's how you can easily do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.